here. My name is Yeksenia and my channel is mostly about business strategies, finance, lifestyle, and personal development tips and tricks. But today we are doing something a little bit different. We are washing my face off. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and let's just take this off because I'm ready for bed. I don't know about you, but I just want to sleep. Okay guys, I need to put down the camera because it is freaking heavy. Like legitly, look at this lens. Look how big it is. It is big. And my little puny arms cannot hold this. So I'm going to try to set you down and just wash off my face. Un momento. Hello. Sorry I look like such a creeper right now, but I don't have really a stand to put you where you can actually see me well. So we're going to be sitting on my sink. Once I find something, I might have you guys sit up a little bit more so you can see me. But right now, I'm gonna start taking this stuff off my face because I'm ready for bed. Now, the first thing I want to use is lotion because right now I have like the false lashes on. But I noticed like when I just pull them off, it hurts. So good news, I found a couple containers to put you on, but let's just waste no more time. So I started something a little different. I tried to wipe off the majority of my makeup with a facial wipe, and then after that I'll go in with the cleanser. So this is the one that I use. CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is what I use to remove the remainder of the makeup that's on my face. It's really good for sensitive skin. And I also try to wash the glue off my false lashes to see if I could reuse it again. Oops, it looks like I got you a little wet too. I then like to go and exfoliate my skin with this little Olay cleansing brush. It's safe to use for your skin on a daily basis, but I typically do it almost every other day, and I go in with Kate Somerville Exfoliate. So we're going to wet the brush a little bit and just put a little bit on here, not that much. And just grab a little bit of water. I'm gonna put it on my face first. We're gonna exfoliate. I'm just gonna press the power button. Now we're gonna rinse with the hot water to get this off the brush. To do it this way because it typically helps get the stuff off. Now that we got in a good scrub and cleansed the face, it's time to put the moisture back in. So the next step I go is, so I like to use the Lancome Genifique Light Pearl. It is a under eye serum for puffiness and dark circles. Looks like this. So all we're going to do is open it up. It has a metal ball on the bottom. Pretty cool. So we're just going to dab it under the eyes, like so. So it's not fully rubbed in, but I like to just like rub it in with my fingers and really just make sure that it soaks in well. We're trying to prevent those wrinkles, girl. On top of that, I like to use another eye cream from Cetaphil. It's Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. This is the amount that I like to use. I go in with the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. It is fragrance free. I like using this cream because you can tell like your skin literally drinks it. Like it just goes right into the skin and it's almost like as if you didn't put anything on. I also like going in with this Province Beauty. It's a vegan vitamin boost night oil. It has vitamins A, C, and E. It's a facial oil. I don't go too heavy with this because it's like a legit oil and I don't want to be sleeping with that all over my sheets. And then whatever's remaining on your skin, you're just gonna rub it out. So these are the products that I used tonight. And voila, this is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll help my baby YouTube channel grow. I would love if you would be part of my journey. This camera's getting freaking heavy, so I might have to go pretty soon, but I will see you next time. Bye!